Hello friends, in today's video we're going to be working on this Daewoo American fridge freezer. The problem is that it's leaking water. So I'm just going to show you the puddle. Here is the puddle on the floor. So basically this fridge freezer has a built-in drainage system which is behind these panels, this one and that one, and so this drainage system is blocked, so that's why we're seeing ice here. So that's why it's leaking water under the fridge. I've turned the power off, so we're going to remove these panels, this one and the one here, to investigate what the problem is. So in order to remove this panel here, I'm going to remove the dust cap. There we go. So we're going to be using a Phillips screwdriver to undo this screw here. So just gonna lift it up like this, and then I'm going to pull the panel towards me. Next, what we're gonna do is we're gonna remove this dust cap here. So just gonna undo the screw here. Next, we're gonna undo these two screws here. Just gonna remove the panel here. So this is the lens for the light. So basically the water's been leaking, and in here it's been turning into ice. So after undoing the screw there and the lens here, which is for the light, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to use this special tool here and carefully gonna pull the panel towards me. So you got the clips here like this. So there's an arrow here, so you need to use this pick tool to undo the clips. So just gonna show you the way I'm doing it. So just gonna do the same like this, one here like this, and one here. There we go. So we're just gonna pull the panel towards us like this. Have to be extra careful. There we go. So that's the panel disengaged. Right, so what I'm gonna do now is that I'm gonna pull the back panel out like this. There you go. Just gonna show you the situation. So this bottom tray was all clogged up with ice. So basically that's why the water wasn't going down into the drainage. So there's a drain under here. So just gonna have to be very careful not to poke any components here, otherwise the gas will start leaking. There we go. So basically what we are doing is we're gonna clear all the ice from here. So we're gonna let the fridge sit for like a couple of hours till all the ice is melted. Now we can clearly see the drain tube here. So if you want to speed up the process, you can use the hair dryer, and you can run it at cold air. But in our case, we're just gonna let it defrost naturally, and then we're gonna clean this drain hole. So something must have got stuck in there, so that's what causing it to block. So just gonna wait for it to melt. This ice here still rock solid, but just gonna pull this lump of ice. Next we're gonna pull the tray out, so just gonna tilt it and pull it out just like that. Now that the ice is melted, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go behind the fridge. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna undo all these screws to open the back plate. Here is the drain tube, just here. So just gonna pull it. Right, here we go. So that's the nozzle here. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna try using a cable tie to clear the blockage. I'm just gonna show you the condition of the tray. It's supposed to be full of water. So we're gonna use a cable tie to clear the blockage here. After using the cable tie, we're gonna be pouring lukewarm water, tap water, through the drain, and that should clear the blockage. Right, there we go. Now that we have cleared the blockage, just gonna show you the culprit. So this was the cause of all the blockage, this food particle. So just gonna fit the pipe back in. There we go. Just gonna push it all the way up. So that is the drain pipe nicely secured to the nozzle at the top, and the bottom of the pipe should rest here like this. So now we're gonna put the cover back. I've put the cover back on. Right, here we go. We have cleared the blockage. So we're gonna insert the tray back in. So the way tray goes in is like this. So just gonna there we go. Just gonna push it all the way in here, and then what we're gonna do is we're gonna sort out the aluminium backing. There we go. So just gonna press it with my finger. Right, here comes the back plate. So the way it goes in is like this. Push it in like this, and now it's just the clips. So there's one clip here, one on this side, like this, and then one here. There we go. And then this side. There we go. So this panel comes here like this. There we go. Perfect. There we go. So we're just gonna secure this panel with a screw. Perfect. And the dust cap. Perfect. One screw here. Perfect. That's nice and tight. And the dust cap comes in place. Right, so the next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna secure this lens here. So it goes in like this. That's good enough. So one screw on this side. There we go, friends. That's that nicely done. There we go, friends. Just turned the fridge on. It's running nicely. I hope this video is going to help you sort your blockage out on your fridge. Thank you very much for watching the video.